Nnani, say something! Look, June, I'm here. Oh. You have to come out because we need to discuss this. Crying is not going to fix this, so.
You okay? Sound like you're crying.
I'm fine. I'll be fine.
Is it Jazzy? You know what? Let me call you back since you're busy.
I'm fine. I need a distraction, but what's up?
I just need your advice on something.
What is it?
I'm here with Tokunbo and I don't know if to tell him about...
About what?
Uche.
What about Uche? You mean your uncle's son?
He's not my uncle's son.
I don't understand.
He's mine.
What? You say, Sandra, you have a child?
Yes, I normally don't talk about it. I haven't even told Fola. It's just that me and Tokunbo were in a good place right now and I don't want to mess it up. And I don't want to mess it up.
Wow! Wow, we both have shit to deal with.
I don't... It's just that I don't want to build all this on lies, you know. So I don't even know if to tell him or...
Okay, but are you willing to face the consequences of this? What if he doesn't want to stay after?
Is it not going to be worse if it goes on longer?
Yeah, true, but what if you never tell him? What if you never tell him?
I can't keep my child a secret forever.
This is serious. I mean, what does he have to tell you?
My heart and my head is just... It's a mess right now.
If it was him, would you like him to keep that from you?
He's not mad. There you go. You have your answer.
Yes. Yes.
What?
My period just came.
Congrats. I have to go.
Alright, be good. But who is he? Who's the dad? Yes.
Hey.
Hey.
Are you okay? Because that took a while.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's okay. Look, it's really fine. Okay, I just thought we needed to clear.
I have a child. Say something, please. This is why I didn't want to tell you.
What now? Sandra, you should have just shut up. But no, you had to listen to your heart.
Hey, handsome.
Kemi, what are you doing here? How did you get into my house?
Come on. Stop acting like you're not happy to see me. Besides, you don't look good. What's going on?
Kemi, I'm fine, okay? I'm perfect. You need to answer the question. How did you... Shit. You still have my keys.
Oh, please. Come here, baby. I've missed you. You know I always have my ways of making you feel good.
Kemi, you need to leave.
No, baby. I don't need to go anywhere. I need to be right here with you.
Kemi, wait. Kemi,
wait, don't worry,
Kemi,
baby.
Kemi, please, just wait.
Wait, I missed you, hon. What is wrong with you? Come back here. Tokunbo!
Just wait, please. Wait, please stay. You know Kemi's crazy, you know.
Is she?
Stop this now.
I mean, you deserve someone without a child. You deserve her.
You know I have no issues with you having a child. Sandra, I don't mind you having a child.
But you left.
I know. I had to process all the information you were giving me. Come on, I'm human.
I'm sorry I never told you earlier.
It's fine. I understand.
You do?
Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of information to give out in one blow. Not many people can do that, not in this day and age. So it's okay, really. What's his name?
Uche.
That's a nice name. When did you have him?
I had him when I was in school. That's why I got expelled.
That must have been a lot to deal with.
Yeah.
How about his dad? Okay, yeah, that's a lot of information. It's fine. We can talk about this some other time.
So, are you going to stay the night?
Do you want me to stay?
No, I want you to.
Someone is in a romantic mood today.
Well, yeah, it's my way of apologizing for yesterday. I totally overreacted and behaved badly.
It's fine. You don't have to apologize.
They say my apology isn't accepted.
I'm not saying, I'm just saying.
Stop saying. Okay? Eat.
Okay. But I need to go home and get some change of clothes and also stop at the restaurant.
Sure, that's fine. We'll take it a step at a time. First, you eat, and then I'll take you home.
Okay.
All right. Hey.
What's going on here?
I don't know. This young man says he's here to see you.
I'm sorry. I think I was on my way to work and I decided to stop by so we could go together.
What? But we never go to work together.
Yeah, this is for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, saw them on my way coming here, and I thought to sort of remind them of you. Yeah. So, see you all tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should get to work. Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. It's nice to finally meet you. I'm Tokunbo.
I know who you are. I saw you the other night.
Right. Hey, little man. You're Uche, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. My name is Tokunbo.
Okay.
You know what? I think we should see more often. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I should go. All
Talk
right.
to you later.
Yeah.
Bye.
We need to talk.
Of course we need to talk. What's going on here?
Did I not ask you to stop dropping your key under the vase?
I dropped it there for June. What are you doing here? What is Uche doing here?
What's in front of the kid?
Oh, yes, baby. I miss you too, my love. How are you? Auntie will be right back, okay?
Don't break anything.
Yes, Mama.
Now what?
I'm traveling.
I don't understand.
I'm traveling with James.
What will happen to Uche?
Are you asking me? You'll take care of him for once.
Don't talk like that, Mom. I sent funds.
Really? So it's not all about money. It's about the money. What about physical presence?
Where are you going?
Ghana?
Ghana.
Yes.
Just Ghana.
I like it. And I'll be back before you know it.
Mom, I have a lot on my plate right now. I can't look after Uche. You should have informed me earlier.
So you can convince me otherwise. Look, it's time for you to take responsibility. At least now you have a man. Oh, sorry. Men.
ready, Mom.
Well, Uche is your son. I was not there when you got pregnant for a man who, till today, you have not brought home. Uche!
Uche! Uche! Uche!
See, I like how I called you and you came. It shows that we have an understanding.
I still need more time.
You have started again. Always rushing. Now I've lost my appetite. And you haven't even touched your food. Please, eat up, please. Listen to me, okay? You're in trouble, we're all in trouble. That's how this works, okay? You do my bidding, and we'll be fine. Got it?
Got it.
Now let me warn you. If you decide to go against me, you're going to have more than your naked pictures to deal with, the real ones. Because there's going to be a problem. Please, eat. I'm sure you're starving. Come on. You're looking at me like I'm the devil.
What happened?
He's still with the doctor, I don't know.
I was with you guys in the house. He was fine.
I think he heard me talking to my mom. He heard when she said I was his mom, and then he ran out and he got hit. And something happens to him. I can't leave.
Hey, listen.
I can't.
Listen, he's going to be fine, okay? Don't worry about it.
I can't.
Hey, he'll be fine. Okay? He'll be fine.
Madam, take it easy.
Doctor, is he okay?
He's fine. He's out of the woods now. Yes, ma, you can. You can. Please wait. We need to talk.
Is everything okay?
Wait. But wait, ma, and you just left like that? What was I supposed to do? Sit down there. Hey, so where she come in now?
Why don't they ask me this kind of question? Don't ask me nonsense question.
You now calm down now. With the quarrel, I just want to know now. Eh?
So, as I said earlier, he's out of the woods. But his PVC is 30%. And we may need blood because of his internal hemorrhage, you know.
Then let's get blood, right?
Well, yes, but presently we are struggling with low blood supply, and all the general hospitals are on strike.
So what next?
Look, I can put him on hematinics, but he may be okay, it would be better if we could get a match, right? And with just a pint of blood, we could get him up to about 35% or so. And with that, we can be safe. Plus, his blood is actually scarce. He is actually O negative.
I'm O negative as well.
Oh.
Yes. So I'm happy to help.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. So all we need to do now is just to run some tests.
Yes, so we can do this. Right?
Then,
of course, I'm sure. Yes. Let's go. Where's the lab?
that's good. Luckily, you're the one donating, so it's going to be absolutely free.
Right.
We just need to run a full blood survey and some workup and do a cross match to ensure that you're a match with him.
Right.
And after that, we'll be fine. Okay? Don't worry, ma. He's going to be fine. Either way, the blood cells will die in about 120 days. So he's going to be fine either way. Unless you want to be the one to donate the blood.
I'm all positive.
Oh, wow. In that case, you have to be careful with your next childbirth. But then that's a topic for another day. So please, let's get going.
Mom, it's fine. You can go now.
Are you sure?
Yes, Tokunbo is here and June is on her way.
Such a nice man.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just wait and pray for him.
Mom, it's fine. You can send your prayers. I'm just glad that he's a match and Uche is fine.
All right, out.
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
So, it has been 5 days. And right now, we will be able to discharge him. But please be much more careful with him next time, okay?
Thank you so much, Doctor.
You're welcome. You know, we are really lucky that his body did not react with his dad's blood, you know. Because being a match does not necessarily guarantee that there won't be an anaphylactic reaction. No.
He's not his dad, Doctor.
No, he is his dad.
Dr. Tokunbo here is my boyfriend.
Okay, so who is his dad? Look, it seems you don't understand me. We did a complete blood work. And we matched it with your son's blood. Look, give me a minute. See, this is what I'm talking about. We did a complete blood work. And look, here's the result. It says it's a match. So now I'm confused. Yes.
There has to be some kind of explanation.
Don't you dare.
Wait.
I've been many places, I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow, they feel that everything the post. I've been many places, I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow, they feel that